Hello, my beauties. It's Miss Portia. Happy New Year. Many of you have asked me how you can belly dance with me, and I have an awesome, affordable, convenient solution. You can join me online. I have on-demand videos, which are my live classes filmed, edited, and uploaded to an online library where you can pick from beginner to advanced content and dance anywhere, anytime. I've got choreographies, drills, pops and locks and all sorts of stuff, and there's all sorts of funny conversations going on. So that you'll be part of that too, the community. In any case, I'd be honored to be one of your teachers or your first teacher. And so you can join me at dance.bellymotions.com. There's a free 7-day trial. So if you're not sure if you like this or if this is your groove, you can try it for free. After that, there's a subscription. You can cancel anytime, so I'm not going to lock you into some yearly thing. I hate that. Happened to me once, and I'll never do it again. In any case, I want you to be happy. The whole point of this is bringing movement, joy, and good vibes. Okay, so if you're interested, sign up. The link's below. If you have questions or you're not sure of anything, just message me. You can comment below. You can send me a message. I'm around. I hope to see you there. Big kiss.